Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT, and we're doing an unboxing today. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of TT Squad. So this is a Bath and Body Works unboxing. So you guys, I went to Bath and Body Works yesterday, get some goodies for you guys. So let's go ahead and pull out each item. So my favorite scent of Bath and Body Works is the strawberry pound cake. Now they changed they brand of pictures every season. So this is the new season brand. And also it is the 24-hour moisture body lotion. Then I have also the strawberry pound cake body cream. Now this goes on a little bit thicker and lasts longer. And then I have the strawberry pound cake body wash. I just love this color pink, so pretty. And then the last thing I have, where everybody need to get, because it's COVID out here, some hand sanitizer. And they you get 5 of them for $8. It's really cute. So thank you. Oh, before I go, I want to do the outfit of today. So y'all follow me. So the outfit of the day is just model status. Like, this shirt is so cute. She got her little glasses on. And I got my glasses on to match. Then I have my little skirt. My skirt is from Pretty Little Things. Let me give you a quick spin. It fits to the T. And then my earrings. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to spin again for you guys. Yes. And then my earrings, I got these from the Body Shop when they were open. Cute diamond earrings. So, thank you.